There we have a worksheet on spring. Let's take a look at the first thing. It says, number the words in order from 1 to 5. So we have words like water, pick, eat, grow, plant. I think when they mean plant, they mean actually plant it into the ground, right? Put the seed in the ground. So if we're looking at that as an order, what would we do first? We would plant the seed. What would we do next? We would water the seed. What would happen next? Well, it would grow. And once it's grown, we could pick it. And if it was food that we're talking about, we could eat it. So our numbers go 2, 4, 5, 3, 1 because we would plant the seed, water it, let it grow, pick it, and then eat it. We have to do a drawing in this box. It says, draw a flower using only straight lines. Well, I've got my ruler here. I was thinking maybe what I could do for my flower is I could draw a triangle. Because a triangle has only straight lines. And then maybe I could draw another triangle. And then I'm thinking maybe I could draw another triangle. And then maybe one more. Okay. And then I could draw my stem. And maybe I could draw some leaves. There we go. Well, it doesn't look a lot like a flower, but maybe I can draw a couple more triangles here and here. If I just keep drawing some triangles, maybe I'll get something that looks kind of like a flower with all of its petals. Well, sort of. I guess I can color that in, and that would help a lot. Well, I used nothing but straight lines, and maybe I did come up with something that looks something like a flower with a couple leaves on it. There we go, drawing a flower using only straight lines. All right, we have some questions here. What can you see in spring? Ooh, what happens in springtime? Thinking especially of animals. Well, one of the things we can see in spring might be baby animals. Little sheep, little bunnies. Baby animals. Next question says, what can you hear in spring? Thinking of all the chirping that I hear in the trees. Wow. In spring, what can you hear? Well, you can hear birds, especially those birds that return from the south after winter's over. What can you feel in spring? Think about you could feel it on your skin. Well, in the spring, the air warms up a bit, so we could say some warm air. Not hot, but warm air. And in spring, it rains a lot, so we could also say rain. Last question says, what can you smell in spring? Ooh, lots of them blossoming and opening up. Lots of fragrance to attract the birds and the bees. What can you smell in spring? Flowers.